In the last few steps, you learned all about working with arrays. Take a moment to review what you learned. Okay, start by declaring a city's variable and initializing it as an array of the strings London, New York, and Mumbai. Then log that variable to the console. Okay, so excuse. So since this would be a mutable array, let's use the let keyword and then with the named array as cities. Assign it to an empty array, but that would be no more empty array no longer because we would have to add this strings. First would be the London, New York, and Mumbai. We are to console.log this array, and then after logging, change the last element of cities, which is the Mumbai. So wait, change the last element of cities, which is the Mumbai, to the string Mexico City, then log cities variable again. Okay, so we can either use two ways. First one would be cities, and then just get the index of the last element of our rows called cities. So we access our array, which is a cities. London is at the index of 0. New York is at the index of 1. Mumbai is at the index of 3. I mean 2. 0, 1, 2. You can use that and assign it to a new value string Mexico City. Another way is to use the array that length, which is more consistent. Anyways, so we use the length property, which is used to get the length the length of the array, and then we deduct it by 1. Zero, one, two, wait, 1, 2, 3, 3. We have 3. We have 3, 1, 2, 3. If we just get this one, we would get the index 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. We have a 3 number of elements. But since this is at the index of 2, we always have to deduct it by 1. So array.length, which is 3 minus 1, is equal to 2. And 2 is at the index, 2 index has the value of Mumbai, and we change it to a new value, which is the Mexico City. And then we console log, which is the new which has the new value. Oops, you should update the last element to the string Mexico City. Remember that you can access, oh yes, rather than array, yes, technically yes, but our array is named as cities. So rather than array, we access the cities array. Nice.